Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove members from your paid community when their subscription failed. Now, you must have a community already created and you must have a subscription plan as well so that they will be paying you to be a part of your community. Now, I have a separate video on how to set up a community and how to set up a subscription pricing for your community. Make sure you go watch those videos before you watch this video and set up the automation that automatically removes people from your community if their payment doesn't go through. Alright, so in order to set that up, you're going to go ahead and click on automations, go to workflows, and then go ahead and create a workflow. I'm going to call it canceled subscription for community, and then you add the name of your community and then go ahead and click save. All right, so the very first trigger will be subscription payment failed. So you're going to go ahead and click here. And now you are going to select the sales page of your community. I have already created my funnel for my community. I'm just going to go ahead and select the order form where the customer pays for the community membership. So this is the funnel, and then this over here is going to be the order form. And then go ahead and add an action step. So if a subscription payment failed, meaning a subscription payment did not go through for the membership, what you're going to do is you are going to click on revoke access to a community and then select the community and then go ahead and create. That's it, guys. Once you set this up, System.io will automatically track the payments that did not go through and it will remove them from the community. Click on exit and make sure you activate this workflow. And that's it. Another way will be to go inside your funnel and create an automation rule right in the funnel where you're telling System.io that if this person payment fails, another way will be to do directly from inside the funnel. So we're going to go ahead and select our funnel where we are selling the subscription to the community, and then go to automation rule and you are going to set up an automation. So click here on add rule, trigger subscription payment failed, and then go to action. Go ahead and add a tag such as failed payment. Then add another action, and over here you are going to revoke access to a community and then select the community you want to remove them from and then save rule. So these are two ways you can set up an automation to remove members from your community when their payment fails.